He's Avishka to Abdul Malik. Gives it to Achinta Jayasena and Achinta Jayasena will score. Brilliant Ramana Bank try from the number 8. What a line it was. Achinta Jayasena.
දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස්ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස්ටෙක් ගන්න ඕන හොඳම තීරණය.
Welcome back to Sri Lanka's #1 sports channel, thepubre.com, as we bring you live coverage of Trinity taking on Lumbini.
Their clinical execution and high-speed backline play prove that they are currently the team to beat.
First up, we have Trinity, the home team. A new front row for Trinity. Yasan Kavsindu, Onija Kodituaku and Samash Rodrigo at the front row. The second rows will be Akash Panandu and Vihenga Indusara. Yes, the Lumbini team. Netsara, Hasaral, Sankalpa in the front rows. Imidu, Veramuni, Damidur, Salakshana, Tishun Pereira and Pawan Netmindra forms the forwards. Kavishka Lakshan, Lakshan Udayanga, Vihenga Rasangjana, Johan started earlier and the match officials Nipunan Turunga and Tarantu Pereira and Harshan Vijay acting as the ARs, and a lovely high-hanging kick from Lumbini. Knocked back by Lumbini. Here's the possession early on for them, taken by the flanker, and sealing is the call from the referee Nipun Amaratunga. In field, Kevin Virakon acting as the scrum half. Here's Altaf playing at fly half. He'll be very well marked by Lumbini, but tackle roll away is the call from referee Nipun Amaratunga to get the first points on the board for Trinity. Has the distance and has the direction as well. Trinity start early and they've opted to go for a penalty goal, and just like that, 3 points. First, here's Udan Vijay gives it to Altaf. Altaf gives it to the number 10. That's Abdul Malik, who's playing at fullback today, although he's wearing the number 10 jersey. And inches away, Vijay gives it, and that's over the whitewash. First Amana Bank try of the game. Well, even without their star players, there you go. Udan Vijay throwing a lovely pass to the corner flag. Kevin Virakon. Udan Vijay gives it to the number 4. That's Akash Fernando. He takes the ball into contact and it's over the whitewash. Brilliant work from Trinity to this game. Here's a replay of what happened. Here's Evin Jayasena. He wasn't held. He had the opportunity to get back onto his feet and then drive. That leg drive is what propelled him over the whitewash. Here's Vijay Kohn yet again. Here's Altaf. He's been brought down. Good ball out. Here's Kevin Virakon yet again. Dimat Tambe Pitia, and he will score. Brilliant work from Dimat Tambe Pitia. It's normally Shan Altaf who converts, but they've given it to Amar Faisal, probably because he's a better kicker. He's playing as the wing 3/4, Amar Faisal as the right wing. Has the distance and the direction. Brilliant work, brilliant kicking, and that's a gold conversion for Trinity. It's Amar Faisal who converts. Brilliant work from them. Here's Kevin Virakon, gives it to Amay Petia. Steps in, steps out, and dives over the whitewash. Brilliant work from Amay Petia. He scored a couple of tries in that knockout final against down the middle. Here's the space opening up wide. Here's a foot trace. Has one man to beat, and Lumbini will score. What a try this is. What brilliant rugby from Lumbini. Pointing Altaf's kick went straight into the bread basket of Sahan Prabuddha, and the number 10 draws in and passes to the number 14. That's Sachinta Induvara, who's a very good finisher. We saw that in the Mojo. Here's Abdul Malik in the corner. Needs to draw and pass. Abdul Malik still on his feet. Abdul Malik weaving his way through. Udan Vijay through the blind side, and Altaf is over. Brilliant space identification from Shan Altaf.
You have to see.
Good distance and good connection. It's another gold conversion for Amar Faisal. Good couple of tries here. Here's how the try was scored. There you go. He drew, Udan Vijay drew in a couple of defenders, and Altaf was all alone in that far corner. And Altaf,
The halftime confirmations for the game today. Trinity College 27 points and Lumbini College 5 points. That concludes the first half.
Perfectly Swiss Tech Aluminium. නඩත්තු වියදම් නැති ජාත්‍යන්තර සාතික සමග වසර 30ක් දක්වා වගකීමක් ඇති Swiss Tech Aluminium. ඔබත් කොටේෂන් එකක් අරගෙන බලන්න.
Amar Faisal. Here's Altaf taking the ball into contact. He's playing as the fly half today, even though he's wearing the number 15 jersey. Here's the number 7, Evin Jaisena by the looks of it. Here's Vijay Kohn, gives it to Onichakuditu Akko to Abdul Malik. Altaf gives it to Faisal. He takes the ball into contact. Ball has been turned over by Lumbini brilliantly to Kevin Veerakon. Abdul Malik gives it and an intercept. Brilliant work from the number 14. Against the run of play, Lumbini will score. The captain, Sachinta Induvara, he has been a star player for Lumbini.
And let's take a look at the replay. Take a look at that. Cleared outfield, cleared out back end, and Sachinta Induvara scores under the...
Here's Onichakuditu Akko. He'll look to go in his own, but well tackled by Lumbini. Vijay Kohn gives it to Nahil Jaya. Nahil Jaya to Ritika Veragam, and Veragam will score. Brilliant work from Trinity.
And as we speak, you can see Faisal yet with another successful goal conversion. Number 2 for Trinity College.
The number 17 has come in. Nahil Jaya holding his line, and Ritika Veragam, he only had 3 men to beat. He was a huge prop forward. Ball available for Trinity. Avishka puts in the box kick. Hamza Abdin collects it, and Hamza Abdin is under the post. Brilliant work. What brilliant game sense from Hamza Abdin. He did this exactly from Hamza Abdin, and that is why he's the blindside flanker for Trinity in the starting 15 as well. He did not start today. Hamza Abdin goes in at the front, forms the driving maul. Here it becomes a rolling maul, and Veragama is over. Brilliant work. It's Nahil Jaya rather.
Amar Faisal looks it up, calculating every step there.
Has the direction and the distance.
Keeping an absolute dominance over here, and let's take a look at the key replay here. Take a look at that try there. Absolute beauty here.
Here's Avishka to Abdul Malik. Gives it to Achinta Jaisena, and Achinta Jaisena will score. Brilliant Ramana Bank try from the number 8. What a line it was. Achinta Jaisena. Lumbini right under the post. There you go. Abdul Malik it was who gave a lovely ball to Achinta Jaisena, and under the posts, Jaisena for another Amana Bank try.
Certainly, Kavint, and take a look at that conversion right there. Right from the very beginning.
Of players, but that hasn't affected the score, and that is it. 11 lineouts for Trinity and Lumbini. Just like that, it ends at the end of the 70th minute. Trinity have 55 points, and Lumbini has only 12 to show for. Trinity 8 tries, 6 conversions, 1 penalty gives them the 55 points, and 2 tries and 1 conversion gives Lumbini their 12. And Trinity have started off the league So the Swiss Tech player of the match is Amar Faisal, the number 34 from Trinity. He played at doing highlights. It was Lumbini who started things off in an extravagant fashion. The number 14, it was Sachin Induvara, the captain, who scored first, and he converted as well. All 12 points coming in from the hands of Induvara, and this was Ritika Veragama who crashed over, and Amar Faisal with the conversion, the goal conversion, and Hamza Abdin, even though he came in the second half, has a try under his name as well. There again, that's Amar Faisal converting, and here's the number 5 going into and over the whitewash. It was Nahil Jaya, and the last try being scored by Achinta Jayasena under the posts, and Amar Faisal converts.
The latest scores, highlights and expert analysis. Until next time, stay safe and keep loving the game.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එකක් නැද්ද මුදලාලි? අතන කඩේ 140ක් දෙන්නම් කිව්වා.
බෑග් වල බොරු ගණන් ගහලා පස්සේ ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් දෙන දේවල් මාගාව නෑ මහත්තයා.
ඔබේ නිවසේ පරිපූර්ණ නිමාවකට දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස් ටෙක් ගන්න ඕනේ හොඳම තීරණය.